I'm hoping to find frescoes inside. I don't know. I mean, if you visit Georgia, if you visit Armenia, and you go to Korvirab or Kvorvirab or any of those places, and you go into the churches, you see the frescoes dating back 1,000, 14, 15, 1700 years. And the problem here is that this place is located in Turkey, and Turkey is mostly Muslim, so they gotta remove the faces and the human figures because of their beliefs and all that stuff. So let's hope. I don't know. There's a bunch of stones there and stuff. Let's go into the church. There's my entrance over there. So there's all those pieces of whatever it was, buildings next to the church, and right here there's some inscriptions in Armenian. There you have it. Armenian inscriptions. What it says, I'm not sure if this ancient Armenian is the same as the modern Armenian. And but there it is. If anybody can read anything, I'll stay here a little bit. I'll start actually from the top and give you time to read it. And there's some graffiti. So let's go into the church. Niche right there. What did he hold? Who knows? Saint or no idea. And oh, the sign is broken. God damn it. Yeah. In this age, you got people doing those things. I would like to read it before I go in. Yeah, in the ones in Armenia, in Kvorvirab, you see people that was coming in and doing a pilgrimage. They would put crosses like the crosses they inscribed on the churches in Jerusalem and other places, in Constantinople and stuff. Okay, so this is the church of Grigor Palavuni. Grigor Palavuni. And the entrance is engraved with a donation inscription. The church was erected by Abughamir's son, Gregory Palavuni. Gregory Palavuni died in the year 982. Therefore, the church must have been built before the time of his death. You know, there's an inscription about a mortuary and a grave and all that stuff. Let's see what is in there. There's the entrance right there, and look at that. The entrance, the atrium to the entrance is there. So it's a beautiful building, very, very typical, very, very beautiful. And yeah, it dates back to the last century of the last millennium. It's beautiful, and it's facing this part of the city. I mean, well, not part of the city, but this part. There's other buildings up there we're gonna go and see, and a big tower there. But anyways, let's go into the Grigor church and see. As I say, I hope there's frescoes and in the interior, and signs of soot, you know, from the incense and the candles, as a typical church. But I'm not gonna hold my hopes very high. Anyways, there's the inscription that reflects the donations made to the church for its erection by Gregory Palavuni and some other people, I'm assuming. So let's go in. Yeah, of course. Oh, wow. Unbelievable. There's a little bit on top. A little bit of... But they remove all the paintings, you know. Graffiti is okay, but not the paintings, you know. So there's residual frescoes, but not depicting any scenes of the Bible or anything else, you know. I'm assuming they've been removed by some religious freaks that cannot see human depictions because of their outdated beliefs. Anyways, there it is. That's the inside of the cupola. I'm not sure if it's paintings, square paintings, or yeah, I think so. Because you have them over here too. Yeah, but they remove all the paintings of saints and ladies and stuff like that. In some caves I explore in the area of Cappadocia. The paintings, the frescoes are intact. Some of them have their faces removed. Freaks, religious freaks, but some of them are intact. So there it is. There's the church. And somebody climbed all the way up there to inscribe their goddamn name and nickname. Anyways, let's get out of here. I'm disappointed. Of course, this is modern. It was the stairway, but it's not. It's kind of like a closet only. There's another door. Let me get my handy flashlight. So maybe. Yeah. No, it's just to save the sacred implements of the their ritual, you know. Yeah. So this is it. I'm not a religious person at all, but I'm gonna do something that hasn't been done here probably in a very long time, and I'm gonna do it in Spanish. So if somebody walks in, they understand less than if it was in English. So this is the altar. That's the apex, and I'm gonna pray the prayer of the Lord. Padre nuestro que estás en el cielo, santificado sea tu nombre. Venga a nosotros tu reino. Hágase, Señor, tu voluntad, así en la tierra como en el cielo. Danos hoy nuestro pan de cada día. Perdona nuestras ofensas, como también nosotros perdonamos a los que nos ofenden. No nos dejes caer en tentación y líbranos del mal. Amén. I'm living and I almost I oversee this thing. There's a block of stone right here with the remains of a cross. A lot of stones. All right, I'm leaving the church now. Among the field of stones dating millennia. Has no idea what that is, and I'm gonna go all the way over there too. I only have today. Okay, I have breakfast. That's good enough. There's another building right there. I don't know what it is. But just imagine this whole place was populated. Okay, that's what is left. Just a couple churches, couple buildings, significant buildings of course. But the whole area was a city. Okay, populated since who knows when, 6th, 7th century. Before that, before Christ, or before Common Era, as is likely called scientifically now. So let's go and see this other stuff, and I'll see that one on my way back. Maybe that one right now. Uh-oh.